Hello everyone, are you ready for another story? Today's story is The Rooster and the Fox. Once upon a time in a village, there lived a rooster oh so fine, with shiny colorful feathers and a mighty voice. He knew he had an important job. Every morning at dawn, he would perch himself on the roof and crow, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo." He would wake everyone in the village. One morning, when he was on top at the roof of the cottage, he started to crow, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo." His voice floated through the village and into the forest nearby. In the forest, there lived a fox, oh so cunning and sly. He had his eyes on the rooster. He built air castles, imagining one day he would get his paws on the rooster and he would munch on the rooster. So that day, he sneaked into the village and went to the rooster. And he called out the rooster as if he was his best friend. "Hey rooster, rooster, come on down. You look so weak and you must have lost some weight." The rooster looked down at the fox and he replied, I think I did lose some weight. And I'm feeling so weak that I can't climb down." The fox realized that the rooster was not someone who can be fooled. He was very cunning. So the fox ran away, thinking that some other day he would definitely catch the rooster. And that's where our story ends. Thank you.